Hello, I'm Michaela from Learn Polymer Clay, and I have prepared for you a mini course on how to make and how to use molds with polymer clay. So first of all, I want to explain to you the fact that I don't consider using molds as a copying thing. In fact, I do encourage you to use molds in your work with polymer clay as a starter of the creative process to get your creative juices flowing. And of course, I strongly encourage you to tweak the moldy designs and make them look as you want them to look. So back to the mini course. In this mini course, I'm going to show you 11 ways, 11 ideas, techniques to make and use molds with polymer clay. I am going to concentrate on how to make molds for polymer clay using polymer clay. Even though there are other products out there that you can use to make molds for polymer clay, I want to show you some tricks to use polymer clay to make molds for polymer clay, because I don't want you to go and buy something else. I know you already have polymer clay, so we are going to use what you already have. And there are going to be some tips on how to use silicone molds, and this is because I really like silicone molds and I really like using them in my work to add I don't know, more interest to my pieces. But as I said, I'm tweaking the molded designs, and I'm using them in a creative way. So I really hope that I will be able to surprise you with some tips and techniques, and I really hope that you are going to take these actionable and easy to implement steps and use them in your work with polymer clay to make your work with polymer clay a lot easier. So I'll see you in the mini course. Thank you.